I've always loved the classic look of a leather sofa, so when it was time to upgrade my living room, I was immediately drawn to the article timber sofa. After months of contemplation, I pulled the trigger, and here's my experience so far. Pros: beautiful aesthetic. This sofa is a showstopper. The rich leather and clean lines add a touch of timeless elegance to my living room. The color I chose, Charm Tan, is warm and inviting. Durable. The leather feels thick and high quality. I have a rambunctious dog, and so far, the timber has held up well to scratches and the occasional muddy paw print. Comfortable. The cushions are firm, yet supportive. It's a great sofa for lounging, and deep enough for a cozy afternoon nap. Cons: pricey. The timber is an investment piece. While I believe in the quality, the price tag is definitely on the higher end. Leather upkeep. Leather needs regular conditioning for longevity. This isn't a huge ordeal, but it's something to keep in mind. Not for everyone. If you have a very active household with small children, a lighter fabric sofa might be more practical. The leather of the timber will show wear and tear with rough use. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.